Very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn chapter 4, linear equation in two variables. So in this, the important points are: the first one, the general form of linear equation in two variables. So any linear equation in two variables will be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y and c is the constant. Second point is that if a point a comma b is the solution, then it satisfies the line. For example, let us suppose if I am saying that minus 2 comma 1 is the solution of 2x plus 4y is equal to 7. 2x plus 4y is equal to 7. Then it will satisfy the line. It means that in place of x we can substitute it as minus 2. In place of y we will substitute it as plus 1. Then we have to get the answer as 7. Definitely we will get the answer as 7. Why? Because it says clearly that it is the solution. Next, let us discuss the third point. If a line touches the coordinate axis, we have to take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So let us take a point like this: 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 5y is equal to 20. If I am saying that if 4x plus 5y is equal to 20 touches the coordinate axis, then we have to take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. It means that if I put x is equal to 0 first, so this term will be 0, so 5y is equal to 20, y will be 4. It means that the point is 0, 4. Why? Because y value, if I am saying this, x coordinate is 0. Next, if I take y is equal to 0, if I take this y is equal to 0, so 4x is equal to 20. That means x is equal to 5. So the point is 5 comma 0. So these points we need to plot on the coordinate axis. Therefore, by that we will find the area of the required triangle if we are given a triangle. Next, the point is, if a point lies on the line, then it should satisfy the line. It is same like second point only, but here the concept is solution. Here we are saying that point is lying on the line. If the point is lying on the line, if I am saying that 2 comma 5 is lying on the line, then it should satisfy the line. The graph of x-axis has an equation in the form of y is equal to k. So any graph of x-axis, okay, for example, graph of x-axis, let us suppose this is y-axis and this is x-axis. So if I am plotting the points here, 0, 1, 2, here 1, 2. So if I am plotting the point here 1 comma 1 and this point is 1 comma 2. So here the question is, the graph of x-axis has an equation y is equal to k. It means that y value should be constant. So here y values are varying. So y value in order to keep constant, whatever the means, here is minus 1, here is minus 2. So this will be minus 1 comma 1. This will be minus 2 comma 1. And here it will be 2 comma 1. If we observe this line, so in this line, this is called as horizontal line, or we can call it as x-axis. The equation or the graph of the x-axis will be in the form of y is equal to k. It means that if we observe all the y values in this on this line, all are same here, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we can say that the graph of x-axis will be in the form of y is equal to k. Similarly, the graph of y-axis will be in the form of x is equal to k. The last point is that the equation in two variables for x is equal to 7, we can write, if I want to write this equation in two variables, then x I will write as usual. Since y term is not there, I am going to replace it by 0 into y equals to 7. For example, the same question is coming like this: y is equal to minus 3. So x term is missing, we can write 0 into x plus 1 into y is equal to minus 3. This will be the linear equation in two variables. Now let us start discussing some questions. Let us start first question. Which equation equation satisfies the data given in the table. So there is some data. So which equation among A, B, C, D is going to satisfy? So for that reason, we are going to substitute x values and y values. We will balance that whether left hand side and right hand side are getting same. Then we can say that that equation is going to satisfy. So let us take first option A. Y is equal to x minus 2. So instead of checking all the options, better to check first 1, 1 very easy for us. So let us take 1, 1. X is 1, y is 1. So in the first option, if I put 1, y value as 1, then x should be 1. X minus 2. If I substitute x as 1, so 1 is equal to minus 1. So it is not satisfied. Option A is not true. Next option B, y is 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1 is equal to 1. Okay, this is satisfied. Next, y is 1, 1 is equal to 3 minus 3, 1 is equal to 0, this is not satisfied. Y 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, 1 is equal to 2, not satisfied. So directly we can say that option B is correct. Instead of doing all these 4, we can choose the better one, since it is very easy for me. So I will go with 1, 1. In place of x I will put 1, in place of y also I am going to put 1. I am going to check whether left hand side and right hand side is getting same answer. So in option B I am getting the same answer. Means if right hand side if I am getting 2, left hand side also if I am getting 2, then I can say that the given point satisfies the equation. So here in this question option D is correct. In the second question, the graph of x plus y intersects the coordinate axis. So previously we have discussed that whenever coordinate axis a line is intersecting, so we need to replace x as 0 and y as 0. We are going to get 2 points. So if x is 0, then 0 plus y is equal to 6. So y value will be 6. So the point is 0, 6. Next, if y is equal to 0, second case, so in case of y for 0, so x plus 0 is equal to 6, x is equal to 6. The point is 6, 0. So I am going to get 2 answers, 0, 6 and 6, 0. So option A and B both are correct. Option D is correct. Next, let us see the fourth question. The graph of the linear equation 4x plus y is equal to 12 is a line which meets the y-axis x. So previous question is the coordinate axis, now here the question is only y-axis. If y-axis is there, then definitely we will put x as 0. So 4 into 0 plus y equals to 12. So that is y equals to 12. So the point will be 0, 12. So option D is correct. Next, ninth question. The graph of the equation 3x plus 5y equals to 15 curves the coordinate axis at P and Q. Then the hypotenuse of the right triangle POQ is. The same concept here, we is cutting the coordinate axis, so let us find out the point first. So the given line is 3x plus 5y equals to 15. Since it is cutting the coordinate axis, if x is equal to 0. So it will be 5y is equal to 15, y is equal to 3. So the point is 0, 3. This is the point. So first point is cutting axis at P and Q. So first it is P. Next in the second case, if y is equal to 0. If I substitute y value as 0, 5 into 0 is 0. So 3x is equal to 15, x is equal to 5. So the point is 5, 0. So this is point Q. Why? Because it is touching at coordinate axis at P and Q. So let me draw the coordinate axis here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. How is also that? Okay, 5. 4, 5. So all are positive, so no need of representing a negative coordinate axis. P point is 0, 3. So here is the point P 0, 3. Next point Q 5, 0. So if I join this, I am going to get a right angle triangle where origin will be 0, 0. Points of origin will be 0, 0. So from here to here it is 3 units, from here to here it is 5 units. So according to right angle triangle, we have hypotenuse square, that is PQ square is equal to OP square plus OQ square. So PQ square is equal to OP. OP is 3 square, which is 9, plus 5 square, which is 25. So 9 plus 25 is 34. So PQ will be root 34. If I transpose square to other side, it will be root. So answer is root 34. So 11th question, the equation y equals to 5 into variables. So simply y is there, so x should be 0. 0 into x we have to find out first. Yes, it is there, but none option also just we have to compare this two. So y in front of y there is no coefficient, if nothing is coefficient is there, we can take it as 1. So 1y, so say plus is there, plus is equal to 5. So option C is correct. Next, coming to the 13th question, if angle A and angle B are complementary angles, so we know that complementary angles will be 90 degrees. So either option A or option B will be the answer, 180 will not be there. Why? Because 180 degrees is supplementary. So angle A is x. So we know that since angle A and angle B are complementary, angle A plus angle B should be 90 degrees. So you are given in the question that angle A is x. So we can write it x plus angle B is denoted by y. So y is equal to 90. So everywhere it is there y is equal to, so y is equal to 90 minus x. Why? Because if I transpose plus x, it will be 90 minus x. So option B is correct. Let us see the 14th question. A and B are friends. A is elder to B by 5 years. A is elder to B means let us put A on the top and B on the down. So A will be whatever the A is elder to B means B plus 5. Whatever the age of B is there for that 5 years more. So this is the sentence. Next, B's sister is 6. So B is having one sister C. So let us put in the same line for brother and sister. B's sister C is half of the age of the B. Means C's age, how much is there? Means half of B. Whatever the B's age is there, that half will be C. While A's father D. So A is having the father D. So let us write on the top D. Is 8 years old and twice the age of the B. Twice the age of the B means 2 times of B plus 8 years old means 8 plus 8. Next, if the present age of D is 48 years, so present age of the D is 48 years. Find the present age of, so it's present age of D. Yes, given the present age of the D is 48 years, find the present age. So he has given that this value means 2B plus 8 value as given as 48. Why? Because here father D is the A, father is D. So 2 times of B is 2B plus 8. So 2B is equal to 48 minus 8 is 40. So B age is 20 years. So anyway, the option B is 20. In middle 20 is there. Okay, 2 options we have 20, 20. So either it may be D may be the answer or D may be the answer. So we'll put aside. So I got the B value as 20. Now if I want A age. A age should be 20 plus 5, 25. So A age will be 20 plus 5, which is 25. And C age will be half of B. So B got 20, so half will be 10. So C's age will be 10. So A is 25, 20, 10. 25, 20, 10, option D is correct. Next, let us see the 17th question. A part of the monthly expenses of the family on milk which is fixed is rupees 700 and the remaining varies from quantity of the milk taken extra of rupees 25 per liter. Taking the quantity of milk taken as extra as X. So whatever the quantity of the milk that you are taking for 25 rupees, we have to take the quantity as X. Total expenditure is Y. We need to write a linear equation. Now, if we look at the four options, these two options are already removed. Why? Because the total expense, we got the answer. Actually, we have the value of 700 here, but we have 300, 900. So in these two, if you observe the 25 liter value, so here there is 25, okay, this option. So option A will be the correct answer. So how to do this here? So if the fixed value is already given in the question, so fixed value which is 700 rupees. Next value after if you are taking more than that milk, then you have to pay how many rupees? 25 rupees per liter, but that quantity you have to mention by X rupees. Extra value, that is 25 yes. Total value, the total expenditure is Y. We already said total expenditure, we have to take it as Y. So the linear equation will be Y is equal to 700 plus 25x. So if I transpose plus 25x to this side, it will become minus 25x plus Y is equal to 700. So option A will be right answer. So right here minus 25x plus Y is equal to 700. Let us see this nice following question. So we have to substitute the points in this line, so which line is going to satisfy, that will be the answer. So if I take 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. So definitely if I put a positive value, then I am not going to get a positive value over here. So if I put here, let us check it out. If I put this value, that is 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. So I am taking with the first option 2. So 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 9. So it is not satisfied. Second option will be 4 into 2. Okay, 2 will consider here 4 into 8. 3 into 3 9. 8 plus 9 also not satisfied. Third option 4 into 3 12 plus 4 into 3 12 satisfied. So option C is correct. P should be matched with 3. P should be matched with 3. So we have B option and D option. We have B option and D option. So in this two, anything may be correct. Next, okay, we will see this is a fractional value. We will concentrate on R. So in this R, we will check the values again. So the equation is 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. So in this equation, let us put the first option 2, 3. So 3 2s are 6 minus 15. So which will not get that 15 answer. Next, coming to the second option 2, 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 5 3s are 15. Will not get that 15. Next, if we put the third option 3 3s are 9 plus 5 4s are 20. So will not get the option. Next, let us put the fourth option here. 3 into 3 9 plus 5 into 6 by 5. 5 gets the answer 6. 9 plus 6 which is 15. So option D is correct here. So R should be matched with option 4. R should be matched with option 4 means option D is correct here. Instead of we are keeping this Q and R since they are in fractional values, so let us take the easiest first. So if we are getting here also, if we are not getting R value as matched, then we have to do Q as well as P. So here there is no objection for us. Since R, this value and this value is quite different, so we have solved that R is satisfied with the fourth option. So R is satisfied with the fourth option. So option B is correct answer. Let us see this 16th question. two players A and B scored 500 runs in a cricket match. So there are two players, let us assume that one is X, one is Y. So they have scored 500 runs in a cricket match. Find the linear equation. So obviously the linear equation there is no other parameters, so directly we can say that X plus Y equals to 500. So X plus Y equals to 500 means option B is the correct answer. So no need of doing the second option also here. Just we have only one option which is X plus Y equals to 500. Now in order to get this second answer, look at here. Player B is scoring 225 runs. So player B is scoring 225 runs means player A total they will score 500 runs. From 500, if I remove 225 runs, then I am going to get 275 runs. So option B will be correct.